Good morning, sir. My name is Gino Sila Moste from Antipolo Isabelite 23, Power Plant 2F. So here is my answer on final exam. First question is, should divorce law be legalized in the Philippines? My answer is no, because the Philippines is currently the only country in the world without a civil divorce law, with annulment as the primary legal avenue to dissolve a marriage. Advocates advocates argue legalization would provide relief for couples in abusive, irreconcilable relationships, especially in low-income individuals who cannot afford costly annulment processes. It would also align the country with global human rights standards, recognizing the right to dignity and autonomy in marital decisions. Opponents rooted in strong Catholic influence emphasize the sanctity of marriage as a long-life covenant and raise concerns about potential negative impacts on family structures and children. A balanced approach could involve safeguards like mandatory counseling, prevention for child support, and child grounds for divorce to address both individual needs and social values. So for the second question is, one of your parents is suffering from stage 4 cancer and will eventually die in a few days. The parents experience extreme and excruciating pain every time the cancer attacks. Will you give your consent to end the patient's life or not? The prolonged pain agony suffered. So here is my answer. No, because euthanasia is legal in the Philippines under the revised penal code, which criminalizes aiding suicide or mercy killing. Ethically, this decision hangs on competing principles: beneficence, alleviating extreme, unrelating pain, and sanctity of life. While compassion may drive consideration of euthanasia to end suffering, legal and moral frameworks in the Philippines prioritize palliative care as the ethical alternative, focus on managing pain, providing emotional support, and ensuring dignity in final days. Personally, I would not consent to euthanasia but would advocate for comprehensive palliative care to address both physical discomfort and psychological well-being for my parents and my family.